Why would people buy an Amazon seller account?
This is also a good question because many people don't even understand, the reasons for why people want to purchase aged accounts and not businesses. So first of all, the most simple one, there are sellers that they're from a country where open an Amazon account is not allowed. So,
Mm,
they would rather just purchase another account and, work that way. And this is the most simple one. The most important thing about an aged account is its history. So most people want to enjoy the history of the account, and if it has more sales, more feedbacks, and all of the things we mentioned, it has more credibility with Amazon. So meaning it has less risk. Amazon would have less chances to close an account that is already aged with sales than a new account. So it gives you, more safety. And of course, you can start selling in higher volumes faster compared to a new account. So it really saves a lot of time and headaches with Amazon when you just buy an aged account that you can start working on it right away. And it also enables you to split your risk. So if you're working with your business right now only with one account, and this account gets deactivated or anything like that, then you just closed all your revenue streams at once. And if you split this activity to a few accounts, then you can just have one account closed and still your business is operating. So this is the advantages of buying an account and why anyone would want to do that.